Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So here we have the iPhone 15. Now, don't think I'm switching back to iPhone. This is not mine, this is for my mum, but she's let me unbox the phone. So my mum and my stepdad have both pre-ordered the iPhone 15, just the base 15, not a Pro. It's arrived today, it's Friday the 22nd of November, they pre-ordered it. And yeah, they've both upgrading from the iPhone 13. So the box does look quite similar to the 13, same sort of size, but this one like shows the front of the phone instead of the back. But yeah, same sort of design, iPhone. Now this is actually exciting for me as an Android user, as iPhone 15 now has USB-C, which means my mum and stepdad both have iPhones. My little brother has a Samsung tablet and I have a Google Pixel, and we can all share the same charger. So yeah, it's just the base 15. I think it's 128GB. But yeah, she's let me unbox it for a video. So let's get into it. Just had to check I'd opened the right phone, because my mum normally gets the red ones and I'm surprised she got it in black. So yeah, here it is. It looks quite nice. They've changed the back of it. It's now like matte glass, like the Pro iPhones. Normally it's like a shiny back glass. That doesn't actually catch fingerprints. Like, that's quite good. Surprised mum's gone for a black iPhone, but let's take this off. And we'll just power it on. There we go, USB-C. So that means my chargers will work on this iPhone. Now I'm going to go through the setup, but I cannot, my mum's not here and I need all the stuff from her old phone to transfer onto it. So I can't do that right now, but I just want to have a look at it, sort of thing. So let's have a look at this USB-C cable. It is actually a braided cable, which is quite nice. It's quite a thin cable actually, but it is quite nice. It's braided. It's just a 1 meter cable like usual, but it's so weird that it's got USB-C on an iPhone. That's so weird. But yeah. Oh, I was just checking that these do actually have a SIM card slot, because I know last year on the 14 they took away the SIM card slot for eSIM on the US models. I didn't know whether they'd done that on this one as well. It's probably a good thing I'm setting this up now, as it needs to download the latest iOS update to actually transfer data from her old phone. So that means she doesn't have to wait for that. But yeah, there we go. I mean, it just looks just the same as like a normal iPhone. I mean, you've got the thing at the top. But I mean, is there anything I can put on Apple Music just to see it in action? So it shows when there's something playing. Oh, so you can basically use the YouTube website, put a song on, and then go onto this and then start it from there and act like I've got YouTube Premium. So yeah, I suppose it does that. I mean, that's kind of cool. It's not particularly useful. I mean, yeah, it's quicker, but it's not much quicker than just like, I mean, you hold it down and you click play. That's not much quicker. I keep clicking photos every time I try and get rid of the thing, but that's not much quicker than going there and clicking it. So I don't know. I don't really know whether I feel it's useful, but besides, it's more rounded at the bottom. So like without a case, that actually feels quite nice to hold. But so my mum will have a case and screen protector on this phone. So yeah, I mean the back is quite nice. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys come back for another one. I'll probably do a camera test on this.